Hello students, welcome back in own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. Let's see, yesterday we are completed the exercise 7C and these are the answers of exercise 7C. I hope you completed this all work in your notebook. If you are not completed, you need to complete it, okay, and practice it well. So understand. Now today we are going to start the numerator and denominator of a fraction. Which things are called as numerator and which thing is called as a denominator. Where the numerator and denominators they present in the fraction. One thing I will tell you, the very simple thing, numerator and denominators are the part of a fractions. Okay, we can say that the which parts. Now let's see. Observe these figures. Here one circle is there, out there is one part is shaded, there are two parts total. Okay, one part is shaded, not second part is not shaded. Here total how many parts? Equal parts, 1 2 3, three parts are there, and out of that two parts shaded. That's why 2/3 or 2/3 is shaded. Yes or no? Total parts 3 and total parts we are writing down, and whatever the shaded part we are writing upper side. Okay, here total full parts, so 3 parts shaded, that's why shaded fraction is what? 3. And out of how many? Out of 4 parts, so here is fourth is stand for 4, 3/4. Okay, or in how we are writing in the numeric form, 3-4, this dash is called as upon. Okay, so 3-4, 3/4, or we can third way is reading is 3/4. This dash is called as dash, upon, or by. Okay, so how we will read these all fractions togetherly? Repeat after me. 1/2. Say 1/2. 2/3. 3/4. Okay, by using by. Second is 1/2. Second way is what? 1/2. 2/3. 3/4. Okay, understand, etc. This way of this writing such a number in this format are called the fractions. Fractions means what? In this format we have to write 1/2, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, means 3 parts shaded out of 4 parts. One part is shaded out of 2 parts. There are total 2 equal things, out of that one thing is shaded. Like this, the things it denotes like the fractions. Such a numbers are called as fractions. We see that the fraction is made up of the two numbers, okay, separately by horizontal line. Horizontal line के ऊपर वो numerator and denominator में दिखाया जाता है. So in which the total 2 indicates that the whole is divided in 2 equal parts. Therefore this 2, all 2 total parts are what? 2, total parts 3, total parts 4. These all are called as, the total things is called as denominator. Okay, in this all fractions the number below horizontal line, okay, number below the horizontal line, which it is the below number 2, 3 and 4 are, okay, which tell us into the how many equal parts has been divided is called as denominator. And the number above the horizontal line means which number? This 1, 2 and this 3. These are the number which above the horizontal line, which tell us how many of those equal parts are being considered is called as numerator. Okay, so above the line it is called as numerator, and below the denominator, that line, dash line, it called as denominator. And what is meaning of numerator? Part being considered. Considered means what? For what you are referring for that. Okay, and the denominator is what? Total number of equal parts. So in that you see 2/3, 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. This 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Okay, in this way. In this 4/5, 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. 1/6, 1 is numerator and 6 is denominator. So in the same way we had write exercise 70. Fraction, numerator and denominator. Here numerator is what? Upper part, that is 2. Denominator is what? 5. So in this way 3, 6, 1, 4. In this way you complete it. Remaining questions we will do it. 1, 3, 4, 7, 5, 8. Upper means numerator, down means denominator. Okay, now question number 2. Write the fraction for of the numerator and denominator. Sir, here is numerator is given, denominator is given. Numerator is what? 3. 3 means where? Upper side. And denominator is where? Denominator side. down. Okay, numerator is 4, so where is the place of numerator? Numerator upon denominator. Numerator where lie? It lies upper side, so here is 4 and here is 7. Understand? Easy. 2 upon 3, so here is 2, here is 3. 5 upon 6, upper numerator 5, denominator 6, down. Now question number 3 is what? Observe the figure and complete the table. So figure is there. Here in this figure 1 2 3 4 5 sided pentagon is there. All it is called as pentagon because it have 5 sides, and out of that 2 equal parts are shaded. So number of shaded parts how many? That is 2, and it is called as numerator. Number of parts in the whole total equal, how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5, so that's why it is called as denominator. Total parts are 5. And how will write the fraction? Numerator is 2, denominator is 5, so 2 upon 5. Okay, 2 dash 5. Same way we have to write it. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 are shaded, and total parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total parts how we will find out? Shaded part plus not shaded part. Shaded parts are 5 and plus not shaded parts 1 2 3, and that's equals to total parts 8. Understand? Shaded part here 2 and not shaded part how many? 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Total parts are 5. Understand how to find out total parts? Choice is yours. You can mentally also find out. So therefore fraction how will come? 5 upon 8. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 parts are shaded, and total parts 7 8. 6 plus 2 8, so here is 6 upon 8. Understand? Here is 1 2 3, 3 parts shaded, and total how many? 8 parts are there not shaded. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Therefore fraction 3 upon 8. In this way we are completed the exercise 70. Okay students, so that next is revision test exercise. I hope you will try to complete it. In the next video I will give you these questions answers and will. Okay, so this is your homework. Try to do it today. Okay, now one more test is given from my side to you. Try to complete this also in your notebook. Write the fraction for the shaded portion. Okay, so here is 1 2 parts are shaded, so 2/3. This is the fraction. Okay, it is the name, and how we will write it is 2 upon 3. Total parts. In this two way you have to write down the answers. Okay, here also, here also, here also, here also. Okay, so next question is draw the two diagrams for each of the given. How to write down? 1/2. So I will write here any diagram. I will prepare 2 diagrams. Okay, total parts are 2, so I will make 2 equal parts, and out of that 1 part is shaded. Okay, so for 1/2 I prepared those diagrams. So like 2/3 also I had to prepare how many diagrams? 2 diagrams. Your choice what to take. You can show the group of collection also, or in the one group also. Now here is total equal parts 3. Out of that 2 shaded. So here is also 1. This 2 shaded. Okay, so like this you prepare, and you can take your own example also. So stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.